lecture you understood what is population, relationship between population and resource, then distribution of population and factors of population, and last one is density of population. Now today we are going to know change in population. What is the reason of change in population? Isn't it sound something either gain, either loss of population? So how it is possible? Without counting, you don't have knowledge, loss or gain of any commodities, any object. Okay? So how population is, how do we count population is a very authentic question today, because we have change in population. So what is the counting of population in layman language? We can say is what? Census. So when it's come to talking about definition of census, the census is the official counting of a population in any country. Okay, after 10 years or in every 10 years. Okay, so the official counting of population in every 10 year in a country is what? Population census. Okay, this is the definition of census. So this is also question before you all. When did the first census? First census in 1872, but due to lack of information, it is unsuccessful. It was unsuccessful. So in 1881, the first successful census was what? And in current situation, we have 2011 census. Okay, and next in next year 2021. Okay, so main motto is birth rate, death rate and migration is the cause of change in population. Okay, so change in population, as you know, cause of birth rate, death rate and migration. That means where there is birth rate high, death rate low, there is high population, and where there is death rate high, there is low population, and there is migration is high, especially immigration is high, population will be what? Low. So let us deal all these three. So what is birth rate? Birth rate means number of live birth in per thousand what? Population. So in India, it is 2.24 live birth per thousand women and 18.2% per thousand population. Okay. When it's come to talking about death rate, number of death per thousand population, it is 7.21% per thousand population. Okay. So obviously death rate is low in terms of, in comparison to birth rate. So the population, as you know, India population is very high. So death rate is clear. Now migration. Migration means movement of people one place to another place. This is migration. But only migration can't show variation or change in population. There are two terminology of migration. One is immigration and one is immigration. Okay. So immigration and immigration. When immigration, E for exit, means outward from our country to another country. That means outward. This is immigration. When this is the cause of change in population for any country. Okay, suppose mass exodus, mass of the Indians immigrant here from here, India's population will be what? Very low. Okay, and immigration means within country. That means our within our boundary, one place to another place movement. Okay, this is the not impact of migration. This is noteworthy that change in population also occurs when drastic conditions, catastrophic conditions of our country, like any sorts of pandemic and any sorts of calamity, natural calamity. Okay, so this is it, second part of this video lecture. I think you easily understood what is the cause of population. Okay, so thank you so much.